Are you struggling with the slow downloading speed of Google Chrome? Do you want to boost up your Google Chrome download speed? Then, you've come to the right video. I'm going to show you how to fix this, and we're going to go through this entire process with 3 very easy and simple steps. Let's get started. Here comes step number 1. Open up Chrome. Click on the 3 dots at the top right corner. Go down a bit and click on Settings. Once we have opened up the settings, we're going to go to Privacy and Security. Once inside, scroll down just a little bit and click Security. Here, we need to scroll down until we find the option Use Secure DNS. Now, if the Secure DNS is set to with your current service provider, I would recommend you change it. You can change it to either Google Public DNS or you can use the Cloudflare. I personally like the Google Public DNS more because it gives me more speed, but you can use either of them. Once we have made a selection, we need to restart Google Chrome for the changes to take effect. This is the end of step number 1. For step number 2, you have to create a new tab. Type in Chrome://flags, as you can see here. Once you open this, you're going to find an option called Parallel Downloading. Make sure that this is enabled because this will boost your download speed. Finally, the last step, which is step number 3. What you have to do is click on these 3 dots again and go to Settings. This time, we are going to head for the option called System. Here, you can see the option Continue Running Background Apps when Google Chrome is closed. Make sure this option is disabled, because otherwise Chrome will keep on sucking up your data, even though Chrome is not running. And that's it. Now you know 3 very easy and simple steps to boost up your Google Chrome download speed. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.